Hey everyone, this is Mike Bond with Hard Money Mike. Today we're going to go over how you can quickly change or increase your credit scores in less than 30 days. Everyone who's in real estate investing understand the importance right now in this day and age with credit scores. We always say leverage is king because that's where you make your money in real estate. Anybody from any place, any background can make money in real estate, create that generational wealth and income. You just have to learn how to use leverage correctly. Part of that leverage in this day and age is keeping your credit scores as high as possible so you get the best terms, which means you get approved for a loan. 2, maybe you have to put less down on each loan so you can do more, or you get less points. All those things are contingent in this environment on a credit score. But how do you fix that? How do you fix that quickly if you're in business and you're in the middle of it? Meaning your credit scores are down right now because you're using your personal credit cards and personal credit to build your business. What this does is it increases your usage. It shows on your credit reports that you're using more and more debt, which will drive your scores down. Remember, 30% of your credit score is based on your usage. The only thing higher than that is if you're not paying things on time, and we really can't do anything with that in a quick fix. But we can help you fix your usage issues. So if you are just showing too much, over that 20 or 30%, depending on how long you've had credit out there, how it impacts it. That's what we want to go over today is how do you fix that? How do you fix it quickly? Because the truth is this can happen in weeks, but no longer than typically 30 days to get this fixed. So here's a quick fix. Usage loans. A loan that pays off all of those balances that report on your credit into a loan that does not report. So you take everything that's reporting to your credit that's affecting your personal credit score, pay those off with a loan that does not report to your credit bureaus. That could be with a company like us, Hard Money Mike, or it could be just with a private individual you know. As long as those items are paid off and they don't report to your credit, you'll see that score increase rapidly. Now, to find out exactly where your score will go up, you'd have to go to Experian, Credit Karma, one of those, put them into their models, and they'll show you how far it'll go up. But if you're in the game, if you understand what's happening out there and you have like a 660 credit score, you know in a lot of places you're not going to get a loan from these private lenders, maybe with some hard money lenders, but not the private lenders. You're not going to get a good DSCR rate. And banks right now are tightening up so much, 660 might not get you there. But pay off those debts and maybe it goes up to 7, maybe it goes up to 720. So you open up more doors and you get better financing so more deals start making money. And you could close a deal. I mean, there's a lot of people getting turned down or can't get into the next deal just because of their credit score, because they're in that roulette of, well, I have the credit card balances, but once I sell this property, I'll pay off those debts and the credit score will go up. But to get the credit scores up, to get to the next deal before I could pay this off, it's just a circle. I need to get them paid off so I could get into the next deal. Maybe when I sell the deal that's on the market, I could pay everything off and we'd be good again. So that's the quick fix. The quick fix is getting a usage loan. A usage loan pays those credit cards off, and then when they cycle, so if you pay them off and they cycle, meaning your statements are created in the next week, that means your credit score will go up based on that credit card. But if you have 5 or 6 credit cards out there and they have different cycles, it'll take different times, typically not more than 30 days, because that's where credit cards are cycling, is within every 28 to 30 days. So as they cycle through, your credit scores will go up, you'll have more doors open, investing will get easier and more profitable. So the quick fix is get a usage loan. The long-term fix is to move all your business debt off your personal credit and credit score. And you do that with business credit cards. Now, we're not talking corporate cards, we're talking business credit cards. They look just like the credit cards you're using, but they're not going to report on your credit. Still based on your credit score, so you got to get that up to get them. They don't report on your credit report as long as you're paying everything on time. So you can really rack those up. You can max them out, pay them on time, and they'll never affect your credit score. It's an easy long-term fix, but to get there, you first have to take care of your outstanding debt in your business, in your real estate career. If you want us to look at a usage loan, help you pay this down so you could get a better score, just reach out to me at mike@hardmoneymike.com. Or if you just have a question on how it works or how you could use someone else's money, just email me. I'd be glad to help you. Now, the long-term fix, getting into credit cards, getting into business credit cards, how you set that up, making sure you have the LLC, the EIN, all of those things. Once again, if you don't have those, easy, quick fix. Now, to set up the business credit cards, that is easy too, as long as you have the LLC, the bank accounts, and a few other things. If you need more information on that, just reach out to our sister company, The Cashflow Company, thecashflowcompany.com, and we'll catch you on the next video.